In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create an invoice in Accurants software suite. Once you have logged in, depending on the type of access that you have the modules that you have access to, you should see Invoice module if you have been granted the access to the Invoice module. Once you are there, either you can go to the Invoice module to create an invoice or you can go to the Quick Card menu which is on the top right-hand corner. Once you are there, hover over to the invoice and click on it to create an invoice from the Quick Card menu. If you have got customers that are already added, then you can select the customer, or if you don't have them, you can add them in there and that will be added to the pick list. Make sure that the auto-generated invoice number is working for you and also the invoice date and due date are looking right. If you have got products and services that have already been added, you can go ahead and select, or in this case we are going to create a simple invoice where we are going to say the consulting services that we have provided, we are going to charge $1,000 for it. It is as simple as adding the description into the description field, making sure that the numbers and the quantity is correct and then the price is correct and you don't have to do anything else. Just click on Save. Your invoice is saved. If you have an email for this particular customer, you can actually go ahead and send this invoice via email by clicking this button. Or you can make a PDF copy of the invoice by clicking the Export to PDF icon on the top right-hand corner. Once you have it, you can click on it and view the invoice, making sure that the invoice number, the customer name, the company name, the invoice date, the due date, the types of product and services that you are selling, the quantity, the price, all are looking correct, and then, invoice is ready if you have the payment setup already completed where your Accurants account is connected to the Stripe account by going to the settings and then going to the connected apps and then clicking on this one to set up your account so that you can go ahead and have your invoice paid by your customer, where the end customer will just click on the Pay Now link to make a payment. There are many more items under the settings where you can change the color, show the discount, show the sales tax, if those apply. Make sure to check or uncheck them by going to the advanced settings and clicking on the invoice and make sure that the boxes are checked so that you can be alerted if there are discounts or if there are sales tax or payments or any shipping charges. Those all can be configured in the advanced settings under the Invoice tab. And that's a simple, easy way to create invoice. And that's one of the fundamental items that you will be doing over and over again in your business. Thank you.